Hey guys, Matt Guzman here, and this video that's playing right now is a video I did a couple weeks ago. It was me trying to get a sub 30 while also finding my solve average. So I did like 5 Rubik's Cube solves, and I was trying to see what my average was. Also at the same time trying to see if I could get a sub 30. And recently, a little after I recorded my OLL and PLL tutorial, I also tried this again, and here are the results. So hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing me trying to get another sub 30. Hope you enjoy. Alright, so here I have the online cube timer on, and so I'm going to mix this up real quick, and then we'll see how fast I can do it. So you probably can't see, but here sometimes I've already had my fastest one was a 28-second solve, and I got really lucky on that, but I didn't record it, and it doesn't really count because I had a longer inspection time. I didn't inspect it for 15. I inspected it for like 20 or 30 seconds. But I'm gonna do an actual solve right now, where I do a official scramble with a countdown to 15 seconds, which is the actual inspection time. So I'll do the official scramble real quick. Alright, so let me start the inspection time. I messed up. No. I was doing so good. Got a 35-second solve. So I need to be at least 6 seconds faster in order to get a sub 30. So I'll try one more time, and just to see if I can do it. So. Alright, so let me just inspect this real quick. Alright. Freaking kidding me. Okay, got 33 seconds. I was doing really well, and then I got a little slow on the OLL stage. I was doing well. I was doing really good, and then I messed up on OLL. It's not so much I messed up. I doubted myself for a second on which would be the better move, because I don't know that many OLLs. So I just did the normal hook algorithm, and that slowed me down because I had to think about it for a second. And each second counts. Alright, I'll just try to see if I can do that one more time. Alright, so I'm inspecting it again, and I'll solve it. No, oh my god, please. Oh my god! Woo! Jeez, that was good. Got a 25-second solve. Finally, oh my god. Jeez. I got a sub 30. That was really good. When I was pairing up the edges for F2L, I had two matched up when I was almost done, so I was just able to insert them really quickly. And I got a lucky OOL case where if I just did the bar method, it would instantly bring me to the fish instead of having to do the cross one so many times to get to the fish. So I was able to just do the fish and then do two more algorithms for there to solve it. Let's go. So I'm gonna keep practicing, and hopefully I can keep getting sub-30s. And so this is actually my personal best right now. So I just beat my personal best, 25.34 seconds. Jeez. All that practicing has paid off, and now I need to do more practicing. So I'll practice F2L, practice more OOLs and POLs, and hopefully if you enjoyed this video, please like it and turn on notifications, and I'll keep practicing to try to get more sub-30s, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.